Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today, we have a renowned gynecologist and obstetrician and gynecologist, Dr. Parimala Devi, who has set a Guinness World Record in screening the cervical cancer. Let us start with the first question, Parimala Devi. What is white discharge? Why are the women so worried about it?
Thank you very much, madam, and one my special pranams to you as my teacher. This white discharge point, when we come to specifically to speak about that, it can be because of many infections also. When we tell about white discharge, any woman will come and get worried. We are concerned about three types of discharge. That may be watery discharge, or it may be infective, yellow-looking discharge, or reddish discharge. This watery discharge is most of the time in the physiological discharge that can happen between menarche to some 18 to 20 years of age, because the hormones are so much of surge is there in that girl's body when she attains menarche. So there can be lot of white discharge because of the congestion of the pelvis. So these mothers need not worry. It is a normal discharge. It will come back to its normalcy and it will disappear once they start growing their organs, because a girl has got a uterus and ovaries, and they are in turn controlled by the brain, hypothalamus and pituitary. We are worried about the lower part of the uterus, that is cervix. So the cervix is sometimes not seen in the scan.
That is the
So
mouth of the uterus. That is the
uterus. Otherwise, neck of the uterus. So many things we call it.
Neck of the uterus. Okay.
So that can be the reason to, because when the menstruation starts, the other collection of the hormonal collection because of that changes also will start flowing in that girl. But we are more concerned about the married women and also women who are of the elderly age group, because these people are undergoing their lifespan of delivering the children, sexual activity, and also the elderly women because of their immunity coming down. In all these women, we are concerned about what type of discharge they are coming. Is there any itching, or is there anything like the hygiene is troubling them? Because hygiene is one important thing all human beings should observe. I am very grateful to you for opening this channel, because of that health, everything you are taking care and explaining to the people in simple words. Because if you don't keep the hygiene, lot of bacteria, the viruses.
Dr. Parimala Devi, if you just say hygiene, people may not understand. Yes. Hygiene means the cleanliness includes the washing of that private area, then sanitary pad that they are using, and also the partner from whom they are getting the infection. Yes. You please explain that.
Yes. Usually hygiene means that's what, whenever they are having the regular bath, they should concentrate that. Some people are scared to wash their private part also. Something will happen to us like that. It's not so. And there is a anal canal also which is excreting the excreta in the morning. All these areas with whatever detergent you are using, whatever soap you are using, you can use the Dettol or something like that, and just the plain water also. So, and other sexual hygiene is one when they use the condom. So condom can prevent spread of viruses, bacteria, and most of the sexually transmitted disease from husband to wife, if at all it is there. So, and even in the menstruation hygiene also, that pad what they are using, how cleanliness is maintained during, because in the menstruation itself there can be some bacteria, can be some viruses, because it's a collected blood. So because of that, even though they are using some cups these days, cups have become popular with eco-friendliness and all. We agree. But if they don't maintain that cup properly, if they don't use that whatever the pad they are using, they are disposing, or that some people are using clothes also. But clothes also should be washed and should be dried in the sun, or at least you should iron it and then using. And I think Madam only told us some government supply of pads also is available with plastic or anything, and which can be easily available. So in all these conditions, we can see them if they come with the white shirt, all these 30 years to 45 years.
What do you do then? What do you do at that time when they come with the white discharge?
They come, usually we take a discharge and send it for a vaginal swab. We want some evidence what type of bacteria is there. So usually we take a vaginal swab. But if she is already 40 years and plus or something, if she is coming again and again, then we will use the word what is smear called as pap smear. Because in pap smear you have the advantage of seeing the cancer cells. So if there are any chances of she going to the cancer of the cervix, this part, then we have to treat her accordingly immediately also. If it is a simple Trichomonas vaginalis infection or some warts or something like a bacterial, then we can give them some tablets orally, or we can give them some gel or some pessary tablets to keep in the vagina for 5 or 6 days. But if it is a pap smear, when we take, when there is a history in the family, also mother had some cancer, and
Cancer.
the very weak immunological power is very weak, and she is having so many deliveries,
Okay.
and she had some suspicious lesions on the cervix. Then we go for usually some cautery,
Okay.
that cryocautery
Okay.
or electric cautery also sometimes used, and thermoablation.
Okay.
These are some alternative treatment. So erosion, ulcer on the cervix are very important,
Ah.
and gynecologists have to see this age group when they come with these different type of discharges. That's very
Are
important.
they precursor to cancer or the beginning of the cancer? What is it?
Most of the
The ulcers or erosion, are they precursor?
no, erosions are actually physiological, because that there is lot of
Okay.
infection
Okay.
and everything.
Okay.
The
Okay.
membrane,
Okay.
inner epithelium averts out. But if it is not
Okay.
healing, it's continuously bleeding, then it is to be treated. And a biopsy
Okay.
is very
Okay.
important. Biopsy is the gold
Okay.
standard, madam. This you
Okay.
only taught me once. Gold standard should not be
Okay.
forgotten. So that is how this one. And we have to see that the vaccination and all also should be advocated to these women, because
Okay.
HPV virus is the one which causes most of the time these discharges also. So we have to see the
Okay.
effects of HPV. In the pap smear, any infection also we can make out, and also cancer cells we
Okay.
can make out. Sometimes we zero
Okay.
down
Okay.
only pap smear only, instead of going for one vaginal swab, one pap smear, because our women cannot come so frequently.
I know. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Checkup.
Do you think you treat only the women or also the husband also you
No,
treat
yes,
sometimes?
yes.
What are the
It is
occasions?
actually, these conditions should be treated both by both the husband and wife should be treated, because the most of the infection can come from the other gender also to them. So we have some lot of tablets which are should be given to the both the partners. Then they will be all right. And husband should be counseled for the hygiene and the sexual hygiene, and also about the vaccination, because vaccination is given to both the genders. So
And
both should
also
be
using the condom, the safe
yes.
sex also has to be taught.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Now, do you give only the particular course, or for if there is a fungal infection, how long do you give the
Usually it may be
treatment?
5 to 7 days, some pessaries and also some tablets. More than that, usually we
Yeah.
cannot give. This infection come under control, most of these infections.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Parimala Devi, for giving a very candid description of the white discharge and how to differentiate between physiological and pathological, and how the advanced technique is there to treat the white discharge, the cause for it. And thank you very much. And I hope everybody appreciates your contribution to
Thank you, madam. Thank you
the
for
health
giving
of the
this
women.
opportunity.
Thank you.
White discharge is not always cancer. It is a simple disease only, simple one, the entity of the women health. Please come and get checked. Don't get worried that white discharge is cancer. Cancer need not be
Yeah.
through the white discharge also.
That's very, very important not to get worried, unnecessarily worrying. Only when you are ignorant, you get worried. But when
Yes.
such a knowledge is given by an expert like you, I'm sure the women will not be worried when they get the white discharge and they go for the proper treatment. Thank you very
We
much.
are all
Thank you.
here today because of your teaching. Thank you, madam.